Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. You check your current Python with Python version and pi-0 to see installed interpreters. Once done, download and run the official Python installer for your OS. Make sure to enable Add to Path during installation. Then open Visual Studio Code and launch the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P. This sets you up to select or register the new interpreter immediately, without delaying into optional setup details. Now you configure VS Code to use the new Python. You open the command palette and run Python. Select Interpreter, choose the newly installed Python or the virtual environment you created. If you need project-specific settings, edit vscode/settings. JSON to set Python, Python path or interpreter path for consistency. Once selected, restart the window to refresh language services. If using a virtual environment, run Python mvenv. Venv, activate it and then select that. Venv interpreter so extensions and linting point correctly. To finish, reload VS Code and verify the active interpreter in the status bar. Open an integrated terminal and run Python version and piplist to confirm packages and path. If linting or IntelliSense behave oddly, reinstall or update the Python extension and rebuild language server data. Make sure the selected interpreter matches your workspace setting. If problems persist, check path ordering, restart VS Code, and as a last resort, recreate the virtual environment so you resolve interpreter mismatches and restore a clean development state.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.